Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn about match tags in MailChimp CRM software. If you are not familiar with what match tags means, match tags is one of the powerful tools you need as an email marketer or as a template developer to create a suitable and personalized email campaign that is tailored to your audience list. Now, to create a match tag, all you have to do is to go to your audience list. For instance, this is one of my audience lists in my MailChimp account. Now you click on settings, and then when you click on settings, click on audience feeds and match tags. Now these are the default match tags by MailChimp. First name, email address which you can remove, and then the phone number on this audience list. Now I can set and create another audience match tags for my audience list. Now to create a match tags in MailChimp, all you have to do is click on add a feed here. So when you click on add a feed, there are lots of feed options which you can include on your audience list. Now you can add a text feed match tag, a number feed match tag, a radio button, a drop down, date, birthday, etc. But for this video I'm going to create a radio button match tag. So to do that, I'm going to click on radio buttons, and now it's going to populate. Now I made a video 2019 on how to create a multilingual campaign on MailChimp. So if you haven't watched the video, I will leave the link in the description of the video, or you can click on the link above to watch that. If you plan to create a multilingual marketing campaign or a personalized email that is tailored to your audience list. Now I've selected my radio button. Here I can create a radio button based on my users or my audience preferred language. For instance, if on my website we are having two language option, which is Italian and English, so I can come here and write Italian, and then here I can write English. Now here I can name my match tags language, and I can set it to required. Then here I can also change it, but I'm going to leave it as default. Then click on save changes. Now once we save our changes here, it is actually going to reflect, or we can include it in our form input for this audience list, which is Fredia store. Now let's go back and create a form page for this audience list. Now to create an opt-in page that utilizes the language match tag which we just created, all you have to do is click on sign up forms here. And after that, you can click on the form builder. Now it's going to populate our form opt-in page, and now as you can see here, it's showing the language feed option in which users can select either Italian or English. So for radio buttons, the users can only select one option at a time, so which means that if you are to add any subscribers, or if any subscribers wants to sign or opt in through our form page of this audience list, they have to select either Italian or English as their language. And with this, we can send out a personalized email campaign tailored to our subscribers or tailored to our audience list that is going to increase our conversion rate. In my next video, I'm going to discuss about how to use conditional match tags in MailChimp and how you can create a personalized email campaign that will be tailored for your subscribers. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.